Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will learn the way how we can remove the view only, comment only access from the documents that you have in a Google Sheets application with mobile phone. So you already open the application and here is the documents that I prepared for today's tutorial. Whenever you open it, you will see the information about the format of this document. So it's signed here if view only, so means that this document is in a view only format, so I will not gonna able to edit any cells inside of this documents. You see it? We cannot even edit the information inside of the cells. So if you want to remove this view only format from these documents, you just need to click on this three small dot and request from the edit access into the owner and wait until the owner accepting your request. But then if you it doesn't work, you just need to go click the share and export here, and then you just need to go click make a copy and wait until the application copy everything, any details from these documents, and then here is the result. You already got exactly the same copy of the documents, so you just need to tap it to edit the information instead of the cells. You see here now we have an ability to edit these cells, and then you just do this checklist button and rename for the title here by go click these three small dots, slide into the upper side and go click rename, and then you just need to type the new title here and go click rename, and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.